Hello students, we will be learning median quartiles, how to find median slash quartiles from histogram. Remember one thing, in order to find medians or quartiles, you will be depending on frequency and not on frequency density. We know that frequency density's formula is frequency density is equal to frequency upon class width, right? Frequency upon class width. So if suppose in the question they have given frequency density, then you will do frequency density multiply by class width to find frequency. But repeating this, you will be always depending on frequency in order to find median and quartile from histogram. Okay. Now, in order to find this question, in order to find medians, first what we will do, we will total this. So frequency total of this is what? It is 100. Okay. So what will be my median range? My median range is total frequency upon 2. Total frequency upon 2 is what? It's 50. So what will I do? I will be focusing on this part, which is 42. I want 50. So 42 I will take from here, but I need to take plus 8 from this side, right? Because my 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 42 I will get from here, but I need to take help from this part. So what will be the formula? Formula will be 20, that is lower bound, plus 8 over 20. 8 over 20 this. That means I'm taking percentage 8 out of 20 from this part into class width, So 40 minus 20 is 20, because class width is the difference between the range, which is this 40 minus 20. Are you with me, guys? So lower bound is 20 plus I have taken 8 from the second part. So 8 over 20 into 20. So what will be my median over here? 20 cut, 20 cut. It will be 20 plus 8, 28. Similarly, it goes for your this lower quartile. Lower quartile is what? Lower quartile is, so lower quartile range is what? Lower quartile is total frequency divided by 4, which is 25. So what I will be doing? I will be getting my 25 completely from this part, right? I will be getting my 25 completely from this part. So what I will be doing, as I'm getting 25 completely from this part, my lower bound over here is 0. So my lower bound over here is 0 plus I am getting 25 out of 42, right? I am getting 25 out of this 42. So 25 over 42 into class width. Class width is what? It is 20. So class width you will get from here 20 minus 0, which is 20. So now straight away do it on calculator. Definitely rule of BODMAS first. So 25 into 20 divide by 42 plus 0. So answer is what? 11.90. So my lower quartile is 11.90. If I want to find upper quartile also runs in the similar manner. Upper quartile is what? Either you do for upper quartile, lower quartile into 3, or upper quartile is lower quartile into 3 is what? 25 into 3, which is 75, or upper quartile is total frequency into 3 over 4, which is also 75. So what I will do, again I will go here, same thing like for me, the way we did for median and the way we did for lower quartile, same thing. It is 75, right? So what I will be doing, I will be getting my 62 from here, 42 from here, 20 from here, so which is 62, but I want 75, right? I want 75. See, because this is 75. So I want 75. So 42 I got from here, 20 I got from here, 75 minus 62. I will be taking plus 13 from this part. Again, same thing, as I'm taking help from here, I will be taking lower bound 40 plus 13 out of 14. I'm taking that much percentage into class width. Class width is what? 50 minus 40 over here. So into 10. So then just do again rule of BODMAS, 13 into 10 divide by 14 and then addition. So answer is 49.28. So you all must have observed that your formula for median, lower bound, upper bound is same. It is same for all the three things. Just find your range carefully and then it's sorted. Thanks.